Hi, my name's Ashley from 3D Virtual Solutions. Welcome to our video on how to share your VR tour to social media. After opening the link to your tour, head towards the sharing button in the bottom corner and give it a click. This will bring up your sharing options. You now have the option to share your tour via the copied link. Or you can also share it to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or you can open a link to your computer's email client. Let's now take a closer look at what to expect when you click on the Facebook link. It just opens straight up to the login screen where you can post your tour as you would a normal Facebook post. Extra tip. Let's look at the link to the location tick box and how this works. Firstly, you need to find a location within your tour. Okay, yep, here looks good. Now re-click the share button in the corner and then click on the link to this location box followed by copy. Now you have a link to start your tour at the specified location. Okay, let's have a look and see if it worked. The tour starts, we drop in, and yep, we're where we wanted to be. Great. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content from 3D Virtual Solutions. Bye for now.